Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about source code installation of WhatsApp CRM 3.5. First of all, you need to source code. I have also available my download folder, source code also available 3.5. You can see here source code of 3.5 WhatsApp CRM. First of all, you need to create a database in your cPanel. You can see here I have also login my hosting panel, cPanel, or you can check here I have also create a database for WhatsApp CRM 3.5. You can check here Genius Devil WS CRM and also created a admin and users table also exist because I have also installed my CRM activation panel also. You can check here my URL is I have also installed. I am explain here step by step of installation CRM 3.5 process. First of all, create database. I have also create database. In your case, first of all create database and note down WhatsApp database name, database username and password. Okay, note down first database name, username and database password. Second thing, right click zip file and extract the files. I have also extract the file and again I am extracting it. You can check here first file is source installation setup, also explain here step 1 create database, note down name, username and password of database and change database credentials like database name, username, password. Include con and config. Two file is here, con and config. After create the database, upload database file there. Here click on import and after import click choose the file and select the your file, its file. Okay, I am not importing this file because I have also created the database. Okay, first step is complete. The second step is open your subdomain or domain directory like file manager. It's depend on your hosting provider. My hosting provider is HostGator and you can check here my cPanel. My cPanel provide also file manager are different location. You can check here and I have also create a subdomain WACRM. In your case you create a subdomain or you can import panel directory on your root domain as your wish. So you can check here WACRM just down and wacrm.geniusdevil.com. No, you need to all panel files import here. So click on upload button and upload this panel source of your server. After upload the file, you can check here select on include folder and open it, open config file and edit it. Here you can check database username, so it's depend on your database username. Replace it with your database username and replace password with your database user password and username, database name replace here. Same process repeat in conf file. First is localhost is as it is not changeable and replace username, password and database name. I have also changed it. Its step number 2 is completed. Okay, now you need to access your panel. When you access your URL, you can see here if your database connection is correct. So your panel login panel is so like this. By default username is genius devil and password by default is 123456. Okay, and login here. When you log in, you can see the activation panel. You can see here create license, all license, and you can also add reseller and see also all resellers and create a admin and check all admins. It's depend on your purchase package. If you buy only activation creating panel, so you can see here only create license and all license. If you buy reseller included, so you can see here reseller and admin panel also, admin option also. Okay, after it complete, no go to step number 3. Step number 3 is WhatsApp extension bootstrap.js file modification. So go to the WhatsApp CRM extension file and extract here, and go to the images file and open bootstrap.js. Bootstrap.js open and find out https colon wacrm.geniusdevil.com, and its URL is my URL. So you need to connect this extension to your activation panel, so need this URL replaced to your URL, your activation URL. So go to the activation panel and copy your domain. If you create also subdomain, so copy your subdomain panel link, otherwise copy the domain and paste here and paste here and enter wacrm.geniusdevil.com is 2 times in this file, enter, and second is here. First file name is p announcement and the first, sorry, this is second file and first is pvalidate.php. Okay, so carefully check it and replace your URL with this URL, and remaining is same as it is for all. After this, upload Chrome browser and create your WhatsApp number license key with your panel and check it's working finally.